Hey everybody, this is Bill and Todd coming from the Link showroom. Todd's going to be our new branch manager in
Houston, Texas.
All right, very excited announcement on there. Hey listen, we're going to be having an event on Wednesday the 15th. It's going to be a Lumien event. Very exciting product coming out. It's going to be their micro line. This is just a small version of their micro line. They will have more. They're going to be bringing their trailer and have the whole micro line inside of it. Todd, you want to give a little bit?
Yeah, I'm excited about it too, guys. Unfortunately, I won't be here for it.
You won't be.
I won't get the free food part of it, which is a big deal. I mean, food tastes better when it's free. So
listen, the modules are a 3.5 and a 5.5 watt module. There's a 10-year warranty on the modules and a lifetime on the actual fixture. Very exciting giveaway. Normally we're giving away coolers or TVs, which are exciting, but we are giving away
$1,000.
$1,000 worth of Lumien product. Guys, that's huge. So guys, on July 15th, please come down and check out all the new products Lumien's got to offer.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram or Twitter. If you need anything, use this number and give us a call anytime. We'll be glad to help you. Or check out our website at www.linkoutdoorlighting.com.